Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will move further and we will actually add the weapons icons and the ammo amount for the weapons. So one important thing before moving further, that what we was getting we were getting the error and the red error, and that is due to the start function, because we are actually using this name object equal to game object in the start function. So if you will put it in the awake function, that error will gone, because when instantly game loaded, sometimes it's not picking the start function, so you can paste it in the awake function. So now everything looks good. One more important thing is that now we will add the weapon. So you need the icons for the weapon. So I have created these 4 icons, and definitely we will select these icons and we will convert it to sprite 2D. And now we'll just go to the canvas and choose panel. Let's make it uncheck, and now we can just create a we can create a image maybe. So let's go here and image, and we can name it weapon UI, and then we can also create a text. So let's legacy text, and this is the ammo amount like this. And now we can select both, and we can just press alt and this thing, I think so, right bottom we need this. And now we will just add the this weapon UI. We will add the weapon. So this is the first weapon, and you can see it looks very bad. So if we click here, you can see this is now the weapon, but the size is very big, so we'll make it small. And also game UI you should check, and you can see that it looks better, I think, now. And now we'll just move it a little bit bigger is fine. And now we can just move it to the left side little bit. And now for the amount, we will just convert it to 48, and the text font we can go for Babas New, and let's add 20 maybe for the text, and we will make it overflow. And also we'll just go for white text. And now this is the ammo amount, we can just paste it somewhere here. And one more important thing is that we will recheck the it in game view. You can see that it's visible, and a little bit lighting is very high. So if we decrease the lighting to 0.5 maybe, you can see it looks better. Okay, so let's make it 0.7 maybe. Now it's visible, and also the lighting is not very bad, so that's great. And now if we change the weapon UI, you can see if we change the weapon icon, you can see that the weapon icons looks fine, I think. Okay, so let's select the first weapon again, and now we will add this weapon UI and ammo amount here on the top of this choose panel. This should be the last panel, because when we will enable it, it should be on the everything else. So we are adding it here. And now what we can do is that we can go to the script. In the weapons changer script, we can add the code. So inside the weapon changer script we will create some basic variables. So here I will just go for a private image, and one more thing is that we should include the UI on the top, otherwise it will not work. So we're using Unity engine dot UI, it is important. And now we have the private image, and we can name this image. So we can name it Photon icon maybe, and then we can just add the private, and that will be the ammo amount text like this. And now in the start function definitely we will call this. So as you can see that in the start function we can actually add the weapon icon and equal to game object dot find, and then we will find the object, and that is I think weapon UI. So that is the name of the object, and you can actually recheck it, and that is weapon UI. So name is fine, and then we will also need this one. So now for the weapon UI we will get the component, and we will get the image component, and like this. Then we will get the text. So we will say ammo amount text is equal to game object dot find, and then we will add the exact name of that text, and then get component, and we are actually getting the text component like this. Okay, one more important thing is that we need integer to calculate the amount of weapon ammos. So we can just create the public int, and we can name it ammo and amount like this maybe. Save everything, and moving further we can go to the up section. Here it is, and you can see that we are actually pressing this, and then this is we have added change function over here. It's a little bit different, and now we can just add the indeed we can actually add it for the change function here. So inside the change function, after the weapons equal to 0, and yeah, here we can actually add the weapon icon dot get component, dot get component, and then we can just get the, then we will pick the sprite from that image, and then we will make it to weapons icons weapon weapon icons. So where is that? Yeah, weapon icons. And then we can get the weapon number here. Okay, so also we will get the ammo amount text dot text, and then we will make it equal to ammo amount amounts, and then we can add it 0 for the first, then dot string. We are converting it into the string. And what is this? Why this is the error? So weapon icon, and weapon icon, the weapon number. Okay, so weapon icon dot get component image separate weapon icons, weapon number, weapon icon, weapon number. So why is the error? So for solving that, we will add the public sprite array for the weapon icons as well. So that was also very important. And now you can see that we don't have any error. Here we will add the weapon icons, and we are starting from 0. Okay, so now here you can see that we have the weapon number dot set to true, and then we have the left hand and right hand. So before the left hand and right hand data, we can just add the weapon icons dot get component, and then we are getting the image. Then from that image we are getting the sprite is equal to weapon icons, and then we are seeing the weapon number. So the weapon number should match the weapon icon, so it will index like that. Then here we can just say ammo amount text dot text is equal to ammo amounts, and then weapon number. Then definitely we will convert it to string like this. So now I think we can test it out, save everything, go to the Unity, and weapon changer script is on the player, so we can open the player, and here we will find out the weapon changer script, and here you can see that we have the weapon icons. So we have the graphics, so we'll add the icons one by one. So I'll just add the first icon, then we will add the second icon, then we will add the third icon, then we will add the fourth icon. Okay, and then we have the ammo amounts, so we will add the 4 because we have the 4 weapons. So first weapon has 10 ammo, second has 2, third has 15, and fourth has 18 maybe, just for the testing purpose, otherwise we will get these numbers dynamically. So now we can enable the choose panel again, and then we can go to the main scene, main menu. Let's play and test it out. So enter, okay, and yeah, you can see that we on the change of the weapons, weapon is changing, and also the icon is changing as well with the number. That's great. In next video we'll move further. Goodbye.